Just looking through some Blu-rays right now. So far I found these two. Got the Burning Bed. So this is OOP, which means out of print. So that goes for some decent money. Then we got Sands of Iwo Jima. This one's okay. Always like looking up the war ones. This one has John Wayne in it. So let's see what else we can grab. Just picked up this brand new sealed Harry Potter set. It should go for like 50 to 65. I'll probably list it at like $64.99 with free shipping. Go medium L, so not a bad pickup. I paid 15 bucks for it. A couple more little pickups. We got Fist of the North Star for $5. It is complete. Let's check the disc. It has some scratches, but that's alright. I'll test it out. It should work. And then these are always, you know, no-brainer. TI-84 pluses. This is the silver edition. Paid 10 for that, and shouldn't have an issue getting 40 for it. Maybe 45. Always check the battery compartment, make sure there's no battery corrosion. But even if there is battery corrosion, a lot of times I'll still pick them up because you just use, you know, rubbing alcohol or get it off, as long as it's not too bad. But usually when you find TI-84 pluses, they're not too corroded. But yeah, 10 bucks for that, easy money. So let's see what else we can grab. All right, guys, a couple more pickups. I picked up this Canon right here. This is a Vixia HF R800 HD. These are really good. It did have the charger as well right here. I paid 10 bucks for it. It does look like it has a little bit of like rust, so hopefully it didn't get like wet. But for $10, I'm gonna take a chance on it. I feel like it's a no-brainer. Cosmetically, it looks, you know, pretty good. So hopefully that works. It says it does. And then also we picked up from the same vendor with the charger and battery, this Olympus. So 20 for both of those. And then also from the same vendor, we picked up this remote. So if you ever pick up or ever see bed remotes like Tempur-Pedic, Sleep Number, to name a few, always look into those. I didn't even look this one up. I just saw that it is this right here, Rich Mat right there. And I know some of these can go really good. I only paid 5 bucks and I'm pretty sure it's good. I'll pop comp up on the screen. So yeah, looks like a pretty good day. And then one of my buddies has some stuff for me that he's holding, some Blu-rays and maybe some games. So let's go see if he pulled up yet. Go check that out. Make sure you guys like the video, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, we are back at the house. I'm gonna show you guys the rest of my pickups. We got some really good stuff, so make sure you don't go anywhere. And do me a favor, guys, like the video, comment, subscribe. Helps motivate me to keep doing these videos for you guys, and I hope you guys get a lot of value. So first things first, we got this Xbox 360. This is a 250 gigabyte hard drive, and it did come with a controller as well. I paid 30 bucks for that. Yeah, always make sure, you guys, if you don't know, always check to see if the hard drive is in the Xbox 360. So there's just a little flap right here, and you just pop this off, and should be a hard drive in there. A lot of times they're missing, so that's why you always got to check. So if that didn't have a hard drive in it, I'm not paying 30 bucks. So just keep that in mind. And then we picked up this PS3. This thing is gross. I shouldn't even have brought this in my house, to be honest. But it's not too bad. But I got this from a buddy. I only paid 10 bucks for it, and this is the backwards compatible one. I'm pretty sure it's for parts, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna do probably a YouTube short to see if this works, and I'll test it out on there. But you know, on another video. But it's pretty dirty. If that works, that's pretty good money. But just for parts, it's worth it. And then from the same vendor that I got the 360, I got a couple other things. I got this My Passport. I'm not sure the gigabytes, but I know these can be pretty good, and it did have the cord. And from the same vendor, we got this one as well. So hard drives always do very good for me. And then we got this Texas Instruments. This is a TI-83 Plus, and these actually hold some pretty good value still. The 83 pluses, I still get like 25 bucks. I'll probably price this one at 30 because I see some that are selling for like 30 bucks. So then from that same vendor, we got this Nintendo Switch dock. So they had some really good stuff at that booth. And then check this out. This is pretty cool. This is a Pac-Man plug and play. I have like literally probably like 6 or 7 plug and plays total that I need to test still. But these always go for 20-25 bucks, you know, some of them. And I really like this one because it had the little I don't even, what do you call these from Pac-Man? I don't know. But anyways, the little cover for the joystick, I thought that was pretty cool. I've never seen that before. And then we got this vintage 1976 Sanrio Hello Kitty. Oh, it's like a jewelry box maybe for like a, I don't know, some kind of probably jewelry box or something like that. But it is Sanrio. I only paid like a couple dollars for it. Should go for like 30 to 40. And then we picked up this Makita. So with tools and stuff, when it comes to chargers and, you know, stuff like this, I just don't even say it's tested or anything. I just don't say nothing. I just say, hey, it's good condition, it's used, and that's it. Because tools, for the most part, always work. But do it at your own risk. That's just me. I don't ever have issues. But I'm not saying issues obviously can't occur. But with tools and like stuff like this, like walkie-talkies, I usually always have really good, you know, feedback with stuff like this. So this right here is a Motorola XPR 6350. I always tell you guys to look out for walkie-talkies. I only paid probably like $5-6 bucks for this, so that's a really good buy there. And then this is a calculator. This one right here, they're like all over the place. The last one I sold was like 25 bucks. This is the brand right here. This is what I was looking for. Construction Master Pro. And then there's the model. Hopefully you can see that. 4065. Like 25 to 35 bucks. So not too bad. Yeah. The rest of the stuff you guys already saw, I believe. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure you guys saw this TI-84 Plus Silver. So that's today's haul. And then we're going to be going to that same flea market tomorrow. So hopefully I have another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys got value. That's the goal of these videos. Love you guys. I'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Peace out, guys.